story says the old man heard the ghosts. Stories passed through him like the years he washed off his calloused hands. This man found religion in the anarchy of emotion and need, and in the right and wrong made clear at the end of a story like this. Now, as he experiences his own moment, he can't break habit. He walks among the stones, consoling the scattered voices 6 feet below his worn feet. His shovel is found, the richest soil in the poorest conditions. A grave digger who sits before his maker and lends counsel and strength. He's heard stories of love and revenge, uprising and sacrifice. He saw the medicine man held accountable and saw the money man to the fire. 7 in the ground, let the sky fall down. 1 left above to keep the volume in the ground. He sings their lives to give them rest, and for this we'll thank him from a distance. Age has come to take him home, so he may sit in front of the sun with a shovel and a quiet mind. Tonight is the end. Tomorrow will be gone. Gone. These are not just stories. They are lives through his eyes. Tonight is the end. Tomorrow he'll be gone. But know the sound will never stop until we're all